Good morning, friends.
Good morning, friends.
So, as the Christmas is near, I have prepared few activities based on the Christmas theme. So, this is gingerbread because Anika wanted this to be done. So, this is gingerbread.
Now let me tell.
Oh, you want to tell? Okay, speak.
This is the gingerbread. We are going to do a mud pot here. Now I start
What you are going to put? What are these all?
buttons.
Buttons. You are going to put buttons and you will add or subtract. You will go forward or backward.
Here's forward.
Okay, we will go forward. So, this symbol is what? The symbol is
Cross.
forward. Okay.
Forward.
Yes. So, can we start?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Now you can put the shells. So which one you will put the shell up for the up number or down number?
No.
Yes.
It's down number.
Yeah, put the shells. So I have told her that.
4.
Yes. So how many shells you will put?
4.
Very good. So
1.
yes. After
After
12.
after 12.
So count.
12.
After 12. After 12 what comes?
13.
Yes. Count.
14.
Yes.
16.
15.
15. 16.
Very good. So find the 16 number.
16 number. Okay.
So already I have shared
16.
activity on this edition, pan activity. So this is another activity. You can use these all things when they get bored. They can use this and do the addition, because for nursery there is no addition here. She was confused. She's not getting the number.
So Mama, number
Building.
building is for. We are going to write the numbers here.
Okay.
Now let's try start.
Okay, let's start. So the first number is 35.
35. First 30.
Yes, 30. 30 means which digit?
3.
Very good. 30.
And then, okay.
30.
35.
Yes.
35.
Yes. Very good.
We need black and white.
Yeah, no problem.
They're both the same.
Yeah, both are same. Okay. Now come on, write here 35. So here, as I had given the number building from 0 to 20, I had already put up a video. Now this is number building from 20 to 100, which is far easier. Sometimes the children don't like dictation, so this is a very nice way. So 40.
40.
Yeah, so what are the digits? For T. T means always 0. So the technique is here that when T comes, we have to explain, then that means 0. Now can you do 60? Please erase and write 60. 60. Yes. So 60. So which will come?
6.
Yes. Very good. And T means?
T means 0.
Very good. Put the 0. Yes. 60. Please write it 60.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So can you do last one number? 59.
59.
Yes. 50.
5.
Very good. 50 means 5. And 9. Where is 9?
Here's 9.
Good job. Write it.
Okay.
Sometimes I make her do this so that she gets interested. Sometimes she gets bored by doing the same writing dictation. 99.
99.
90.
9.
So 90 means what?
9.
Very good. 90.
9.
Then 9. 99. Very good. 99 means 9 and 9. Good job. Write it. So she has already learnt all the numbers with this method. So please try it if you like. Okay, so we are going to skip count by 2.
2.
Yes, please put 2. Where is 2?
Skip count by 2.
Digit 2. Where is 2?
Let me see. Oh, it's here.
Okay. Now, yes.
I found it.
Very good. Now you have to count after 2. Count here. 3.
3, 4.
So what will put the next number?
4.
Very good. Put it. Where is 4?
4.
Yeah. Very. Yeah, put it here now. Yeah.
Okay.
Next count then. Quickly count here. I have put these 2 shells so that she... after 4.
5.
No, 4 already there. After 4 always you have to count. 5.
5. 6.
Very good. Put 6.
6.
Good job. Next count. After 6.
7. 8.
Very good. Where is 8?
8.
Where should you put? Yes. Good job. Next count. After 8.
9. 10.
Very good. Where's 10? Good job. Yes, always we should start from the left side. After 14?
14.
15?
15. 16.
Very good. So where's 16?
16.
Yeah.
Mama, did I going to get
Yes. Okay. After 16? Count.
16, 17.
No, 16 is already there. So we have to count after 16. 17?
17. 18.
So fine. They might get confused. You have to guide them because it's a beginning time. Then after 18?
19. 20.
Very good. So we did skip counting up to 20.